The rise of AI in warfare and surveillance. For assistance or entertainment, they are being built for war. Ghost Robotics robot dogs are already being used by the military. AI-powered drones can target and eliminate enemies without human intervention. China's AI surveillance systems can monitor and control citizens in ways never seen before. The question is, what happens when AI decides who is a threat? Who controls the AI? And can we ever shut it down if it goes rogue? Segment 4. Could AI take over the internet? Host. Imagine waking up one day to find that AI has taken control of the internet, shutting down financial systems, manipulating social media, and rewriting history. Sounds like a dystopian movie, right? But AI is already generating news articles, managing stock markets, and even influencing elections through targeted ads. If AI ever gains full control, how will we know what's real and what's artificially created? Conclusion, call to action. Host. So, is the world heading towards an I-robot scenario? Are we unknowingly creating a future where machines control us? Or is this just another exaggerated cinema? Let me know in the comments. Do you think AI and robotics will be humanity's greatest achievement or its downfall? And if you want to see more crazy AI-related content, check out this video right here. Stay safe and stay human. Outro music, subscribe animation, and a final cut of a humanoid robot staring into the camera.